Happy birthday to my daughter who is 18 today. Happy birthday, Madison. Yep, 18th. She's off to buy me a beer at lunch, which is good. Yeah, so happy 18th. Been a long 18 years. So anyway, I thought what better way to celebrate my daughter's 18th is to have the day off and spend it in the garage while she's inside doing nothing. So yeah, that's what I've done. So yeah, so we've got a few things to do. We've got hopefully we're going to collect the roof today, or the roof is coming in today in stock. So if we get time, we can go collect that with all the other things and birthday stuff's going on. We've got my dad coming round. He's round. Ate us out of house and home last night. So yeah, got no food left. And yeah, and I've got a new toy that I've bought off Amazon. So I'll go get that in a minute, and we might have a bit of a clear up as well, just to stop my dad tripping up a lot of these roof panels. Which I found a use for one of the roof panels at some point, because I've got to do some repairing at the weekend on my mate's Beetle. So yeah, we're going to be able to use the roof panels as spare metal, I think, just for a bit of patching up. That'll be absolutely fine. So yeah, it's a bit of a tidy up, and then see if we can get hold of and I'll show you the tool that I've got. Yeah. Well, that's the extent of my cleaning for the moment. We've got a space to stand, and I only managed to cut myself once or twice on the metal. But anyway, somebody did recommend the other day that to help do their roof panel and grind out all the gutter bits, they got themselves they used a power belt thin thing. So yeah, I looked on Screwfix. It was 75 quid, which I thought was a bit pricey, but you know, it's the way it is. But quick look on Amazon, 25 quid. Okay, Silverline, well, I've used their stuff before. It's not bad, it's not the top quality, but it's good enough. But yeah, for 25 quid, I ordered it Saturday night, and it got delivered Sunday about 11 o'clock. You know, Amazon Prime, you can't knock it sometimes. So yeah, so ordered a couple of little extra belts. I've got an 80 grit and 40 grit, but the 80 grits haven't turned up yet, but the 40s have. So yeah, well, we'll give it a play, I think, before my dad turns up, and I can impress him with my tool. I like they've already put a belt on there for you as well. That feels like a 40, I would have thought. Something like that feels quite... Oh, that's an 80. So yeah, so... Well, I see how it works. I don't know if it's a... I've not got a clue, so... Well, I sort of know how it works, but I don't know how it's going to work. If you know, you catch my drift. So yeah, well, let's see what it does. Okay, it's going okay. It's not miraculous. It made it that much easier for me. Maybe it's the cheap version I bought. It could do with the belt being spun a bit faster. It's a bit slow grinding away. But actually, you know, it grinds it away. And again, it's still just not getting into the corners sometimes because of the squareness. You know, you can't. It's hard to explain, but I can't dig it into the corner because it hits the gutter rail. So. But it's helping me in corners and stuff like that, so it's definitely not useless, just not the be and end all for me anyway. Do you ever wonder when you have that thing where you think, I should have just kept the sunroof? From a practical point of an easy point of view, it would have been a hell of a lot easier. But anyway, this should technically be part 3 of how to fit a roof, but I think I've covered enough in the first part to say, bloody clean your roof up, clean your gutters up. So, yeah, making lovely noise on a nice sunny morning. But that's alright. Roadworks down the corner there, so if they're doing stuff. Hello! Yeah, good. Sorry if I made noise. Sorry if I made too much noise. When they stop, I will. Oh, neighbours all happy. Good.
Involved in those.
Yeah.
And these are like sprung loaded and greased, and I think that runs in a slot or something. That.
Oh, to
stop it. I'm not quite sure now. But, yeah, I did look at making something like that years ago.
Yeah, it's all good quality, all chromed up. And
in fact, I think I've still got one that went underneath the floor.
Oh, okay. The other make or you want?
No, the other make. I think the one I made, I sold with one of the cars or something, or sold it.
Ah, so that's good. Got that unbolted, so yeah, you can recon that and attach it to the gearbox. If that's going to work.
Yeah, you want some extra engine steadies, you know, to make the engine nice and stiff.
Otherwise,
Otherwise,
because at the moment, normally the old gear lead would just flop about with the engine. It doesn't make any difference.
Hang on, Phillips screwdriver then.
Yeah.
A spanner to fit those.
Yeah, it must be like the model or something, because
that's it's got an SPQR there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you used to take the standard Smiths.
Must have been well into their casting, I think they, it's all cast.
This should have this SPQR.
Yeah, that's definitely got it on there, I'm sure. Down the aluminium cast part, I'm sure.
I'm sure it's got it. There. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, these are all seized up. See, that's offset to try and get it into the middle.
Oh, okay, yeah. Otherwise,
because this is all offset. Oh, that's gone as well. Look.
Yeah.
But we can get another
rose joint.
I've got another rose joint. I've got a rose joint. It's a bigger one than that, but it may do the job.
Yeah, just have to, obviously it's got
Yeah, it's just the bits that have gone missing. But they're not very expensive now, nylon rose joints.
No. I should chuck that in.
Demon Tweaks an whole set of, there.
Yeah, and then we'll have to. Does that screw in? Does it? Or is it part of the cast? Hard to tell. I think there's a thread there, isn't there? So I think it screws into the end. I don't know though, because So it must have come with.
No, it's
part of the kit, or
that was part of the kit.
Yeah, because I know some people said you just chop the end off and clamped on, but actually this is part of the
that's
kit.
a part of the gear lever.
So I think I'm hoping that's screwed in as a rose joint. Definitely feels like it's got some thread on it. I don't know. Maybe they would have made it one piece.
They could have done,
but
that's why they were so expensive, I think, because of this.
All that.
There's a lot of machining involved.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure.
Whoever used that last, unless there was a rubber one in there, maybe it was rubber. Because that bush is buggered. It would have been.
And that's seized in there as well. So that one's soaking. Yeah. Oh, we can sort that out. We can put another joint in there.
Yeah. Well, should we dump that in your car as well now? Or do you want to dump that in your car?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else can I give you? Okay, yeah, not much of an update then, but yeah, you saw my dad. He's down. We're off to the pub now. Celebrate my daughter's 18th. She's going to be buying me a pint for the first time. So anyway, yeah. all good. He's taking some parts away, take them bits to Yorkshire, and get them sorted. So yeah, Chinese for tea as well, because it's her birthday. That's what she wants. Cheers guys, bye.